Hello students, welcome to class of MSc for 8th standard. Today we are going to start the first chapter, aerobics and meditation. What do you mean by aerobic? Aerobics is a form of physical exercise. Okay, with song, this exercise is being performed in a rhythm. Okay, it helps in stretching, then providing flexibility, muscular strength and cardiovascular fitness. So this is performed in foreign countries. Now it has been imbibed in India as well. People are doing aerobics to keep themselves fit and healthy. So there are various forms of aerobics like freestyle aerobics. Basically, music is being played at the background and then movements are being performed by the performers to remain healthy. Okay, so it provides flexibility as I told. Then there can be certain equipments for providing or doing this freestyle aerobics like barbell, aerobic step or small weight. Okay, so this is performed like we used to perform exercise. We used to perform PT in the school to give flexibility, to give strength to our body, to remain fit. Same way, these are a form of exercise which is done in the form of dance. Okay, music is being played and then exercise, and a type of exercise is in rhythm. Okay, so that is freestyle aerobics. Then step aerobics, one after another. The steps are being put like you move on the stairs, one step then the other step. The same way in step aerobics, music is being played and then one step, then the movement of other, and body movement of the body is being done. So this is step aerobics. Then we have sport aerobic or aerobic gymnastics. Gymnastics is a stretching exercise which is done with the help of equipments. Ropes are there, you may have seen television. Okay, stretching has been performed and then dance has been performed, and they make a different type of movement, okay, in a routine. Okay, again it is been choreographed. You can see in the picture, this is the see the choreography. This is a sports aerobic or aerobic gymnastic. Okay, so it combines the element of aerobics, sports aerobic, rhythmic gymnastics, and music has been played, dance has been done, and it is choreographed. Okay, so this is sports aerobics. It is also termed as aerobic gymnastics. Then we have water aerobics. You can see here water aerobics with the dumbbells. Exercises being performed in swimming pool. Okay, so it's a type of resistance training, okay, to achieve body fitness and strength. Clear? Then we have yoga postures. You can see the yoga postures which has been done here. Yoga posture, different types of yogas are there. So Dhanurasana is there, Chakrasana is there. Is this clear? Bhujangasana is there. So this yoga is being performed for giving well shape, size to the body, as well as to prevent illness and disease. These exercises are performed consistently, then only it gives benefit to the body. Is this clear? It helps to make the body flexible. Okay, so yoga is basically performed early in the morning and you might have seen in nearby places yoga postures. Yoga has been performed. Yoga can be performed in various ways. It can be performed through asanas. Yoga is a very wider term. You may also see in television different yoga teachers are performing yoga so that they remain fit. Some are also doing yoga as an alternative for medicines and to keep themselves fit. In today's world, it is first and foremost thing everyone want is to remain healthy. It requires proper food habit, proper lifestyle, enough of sleep, and not getting addicted towards any harmful things, even mobiles. Okay, so meditation is a way to mental health. So meditation is been done to achieve mental calmness, peace. Now you may see people are angry without any matter. So meditation is done to give strength to the mind. Is this clear? To keep the mind cool, and once the mind is cool and calm and composed, so you get the solution of the problems. Okay, meditation has been used in clinical settings as a method of stress and pain reduction. It is also used to reduce stress and pain. Is this clear? Meditation also boosts our internal power and helps in metabolism, blood pressure, brain activation, and other bodily performance. So there are various systems in our body. So for proper functioning of those systems like nervous system, digestive system, respiratory system, okay, circulatory system, okay, 6 systems are there, and to keep all that functioning well, yoga, or you can say meditation, is been performed. Okay, then this concentration meditation. What is this concentration meditation? In this, person sit in a anapanasti asan. Okay, like you can see, this is the way of sitting. Anapanasti asan. Okay, and in this, focus is done on breathing. Okay, breathing. So one focuses on the inhale and exhale of the air. So when we inhale, then we relax and then exhale. Okay, so we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. So it gave calmness to the mind. One has to focus on the breathing. Then mindful meditation. Mindful meditation is there, in which the practitioner focuses extensively on the mental event. Okay, input that enter the field of awareness of both specific focal point and the field of awareness. Okay, through sounds, humming, like this way of sound. So and focus has been done. Okay, when we are inhaling, like this kind of sound is being made, so that it give calmness to the brain. Is this clear? And it helps to overcome negative thinking. Then meditation and intoxication. Intoxication means meditation helps to reduce or terminate the toxic material in our body. Okay, is this clear? Then meditative postures, there are certain postures which are being used as a meditation. Is this clear? It helps in strengthening our spinal cord. This is well known in the Buddhist and Hindu traditions. Okay, like full lotus form, full lotus, half lotus, kneeling positions. Okay, this meditative posture helps to encourage mindfulness. Okay, it helps to encourage mindfulness. Is there any advantage of meditation? Yes, meditation is very advantageous because these technique trigger a host of biochemical and physical changes. It helps in the biochemical and physical changes in the body. Okay, it helps in metabolism, heart rate, respiration, blood pressure and brain activation. So even doctors recommend meditative practice for reduction of stress and pain. It helps in concentration as well. If one is practicing yoga or meditation, then it helps in the form of concentration, high concentration. Is this clear? Meditation also helps students by increasing their concentration, relieving from tiredness and mental fatigue. Okay, it also gives mental alertness, and meditation helps to curb and positively channelize anger. In adolescents, that means the changing age, when children are at their growing age, like 16, 17, 18 years, though there is various biochemical changes in our body, physical changes in our body. So in this period, meditation helps a lot. Okay, because during this time lot of anger arises and thinking also may be affected negatively. So in such cases, meditation helps a lot. Even our former president APJ Abdul Kalam, who is known as Missile Man, believed in the goodness of meditation and music. He said, meditation focuses our mind and music elevates the soul. Okay, so these were the words of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Is this clear? Now we are going to discuss the question answer. How are the aerobics useful in enhancing fitness and general health? So here is the answer. This is the answer I am showing you, starting from here up to this point. Is this clear? Up to this point, cardiovascular fitness. This. So this is your first answer. You can mark. Is this clear? This is your first answer. Then the second answer, the question is, which style of aerobic would suit a beginner and why? And the answer is freestyle aerobics. Freestyle aerobics, you can write freestyle aerobics would suit a beginner because because now from here you can write. Clear? Up to together. Up to together. This is your second answer. Up to together. Is this clear? This point. This is your second answer. Then third question is, what is meditation? What is meditation? What is meditation? So the answer of third is up to here. Involvement, starting from meditation up to involvement, up to here. This is your third answer. So you can mark. Fourth answer is, what the question is, what is concentration meditation? The answer is on the next page here. So you have to write, concentration meditation is the form in which, so concentration meditation is the form in which, okay, you have to write this in starting. Concentration meditation is the form in which, after that, from here the practitioner till the object. This is your fourth answer. This is your fourth answer. Now the fifth answer. The question is, how does meditation help a student in adolescence? So the answer is, here, from meditation till both material and physical. Cut this also. You have to write, meditation helps adolescent to curb and positively channelize anger, resentment and desire, both material and physical. Okay. Then you have to write this point also, student benefit, don't write particularly. Students benefit a lot from simple, okay, up to alertness. So this is your answer 5. First you have to write, meditation helps adolescent to curb, this line first and then this line second. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. If any doubt is there, then you can consult to your online teacher. Clear? Moving on to true false. Aerobics are breathing exercises. The answer is false. First is false. Clear? Then the second one is false. The third one is true. Fourth one is false. And fifth one is true. So it is false, false, true, false, true. Is this clear? Now, application quotient. This you have to do by yourself. Is this clear? This you have to do by yourself. And if there is any doubt in doing this application quotient, then you can consult to your online teacher, or you can also write in the comment section of this video. Is this clear? I hope this class helps you to understand the first chapter of moral science. So, right now I'm signing off from this class. Whatever your doubts are, you can consult your online teacher, or you can write in the comment section of this video. Do complete your work and prepare well for your first unit test. Okay students, take care. Bye bye.